Anduril strategic leap, $100 million investment in South Korea and Taiwan to transform Indo-Pacific defense landscape by 2025. Date, August 9, 2025. In a bold move to reshape the defense dynamics of the Indo-Pacific region, Anduril Industries, a leading American defense technology firm, has announced a substantial $100 million investment focused on enhancing defense capabilities in Taiwan and South Korea. This strategic initiative comes amidst escalating tensions and security concerns in the region, particularly regarding China's assertiveness towards Taiwan. Key developments. 1. Expansion in Taiwan. Anduril has made a significant commitment to Taiwan by establishing a new office dedicated to local engineering, supply chain management, and program execution. This office represents a long-term investment in Taiwan's defense ecosystem, enabling Anduril to work closely with local partners and tap into the island's engineering talent. The company has also delivered the first tranche of Altius loitering munitions to Taiwan within 6 months of signing the contract, a feat that underscores the urgency of enhancing Taiwan's defense posture. Palmer Luckey, Anduril's founder, highlighted that the rapid delivery reflects the pressing need for Taiwan to bolster its defense capabilities against potential aggression. 2. Partnerships with NXIST. A pivotal aspect of Anduril's strategy in Taiwan is its expanded collaboration with the National Chung-Shan Institute of Science and Technology (NXIST). A Memorandum of Understanding (MOU) has been established to focus on AI-enabled command and control systems and unmanned technologies. This partnership aims to integrate Anduril's Lattice AI platform with NXIST's systems, with 2 demonstrations scheduled for a live-fire exercise. These efforts align with Taiwan's ambitious plan to manufacture 15,000 unmanned systems across various domains by 2028, reinforcing its asymmetric defense strategy amid looming threats. 3. Investments in South Korea. Simultaneously, Anduril is making strides in South Korea by opening a new office in Seoul and signing a technical agreement with Korean Air to co-develop advanced unmanned aircraft systems (UAS). This collaboration is poised to explore the establishment of a local production facility for Anduril's products, which would significantly enhance South Korea's defense capabilities. Korean Air officials expressed optimism about the partnership, emphasizing its potential to reshape the global UAV market and improve the operational efficiency of South Korea's military. Common themes across sources. Rapid delivery and local engagement. Anduril's commitment to swiftly delivering defense capabilities to Taiwan is a recurrent theme among various reports. The urgency of the situation is highlighted by the need for effective deterrence against potential Chinese aggression, necessitating collaboration with local entities. Focus on autonomous systems. The emphasis on high-tech autonomous systems, particularly the Altius loitering munitions, is a critical focus. These systems are designed for surveillance and precision strikes, indicating a shift towards advanced warfare methodologies. Long-term investment strategy. Anduril's strategy is not merely about immediate capabilities, it encompasses fostering long-term partnerships and local production capabilities in both Taiwan and South Korea. Differences in sources. Detailing of the Altius munitions. Some sources provide a cursory overview of the Altius loitering munitions, while others delve deeper into their operational capabilities and the rationale for their expedited delivery. Emphasis on regional security context. Some reports place greater emphasis on the implications for U.S. interests in supporting Taiwan's defense against Chinese threats, while others highlight the broader potential impact on the global UAV market. Timeline of events. June 2024, the U.S. State Department approved the sale of Altius munitions to Taiwan. August 2025, Anduril delivered the initial tranche of Altius loitering munitions, opened its Taiwan office, and formalized a partnership with NXIST. The company also announced its collaboration with Korean Air for UAS development in South Korea. Conclusion. Anduril's strategic leap into Taiwan and South Korea signifies a transformative shift in the Indo-Pacific defense landscape. By focusing on rapid technology delivery, local partnerships, and advanced autonomous systems, Anduril is positioning itself as a critical player in enhancing regional security. The company aims not only to provide immediate capabilities but also to foster a sustainable defense ecosystem that empowers its allies to address emerging threats effectively. Anduril Industries' strategic investment of $100 million in Taiwan and South Korea represents a key pivot in the defense landscape of the Indo-Pacific, marked by several counterintuitive elements in the context of traditional defense partnerships and military sales. 1. Rapid delivery versus traditional timelines. Typically, foreign military sales are characterized by lengthy timelines, often stretching years from contract signature to operational capability. Anduril's delivery of Altius loitering munitions to Taiwan within 6 months starkly contrasts this norm. This rapid delivery showcases a model of collaboration between industry and government that can expedite defense capabilities, challenging the notion that governmental processes must inherently be slow and cumbersome. 2. Financial risk for urgent needs. Anduril opted to produce Altius munitions at financial risk prior to contract finalization to meet Taiwan's urgent defense needs. This willingness to assume financial risk for rapid capability delivery defies conventional defense procurement practices, where companies typically wait for contracts to be finalized before committing resources. It underlines a new paradigm where time to market for defense technology can be critically prioritized in response to geopolitical pressures. 3. Local production and expertise. Instead of merely exporting defense technology, Anduril's strategy emphasizes local partnerships and production capabilities. By establishing a permanent office in Taiwan and collaborating with the National Chung-Shan Institute of Science and Technology, Anduril is embedding itself within the local defense ecosystem. This contrasts with traditional defense strategies that often depend on direct foreign sales, suggesting a shift towards more localized, self-sufficient defense capabilities in allied nations. For emphasis on AI and autonomy, the incorporation of AI and autonomous systems into defense strategies signals a departure from traditional military operations that rely heavily on manned systems and conventional tactics. Anduril's focus on these technologies for both Taiwan and South Korea suggests a recognition that future conflicts will demand adaptability and rapid response capabilities that traditional systems may not provide. This strategic shift may prompt other nations to reconsider their own defense frameworks, which could lead to broader changes in military doctrine globally. 5. Long-term commitment versus immediate threats. While the immediate context of these investments is the rising threat from China, Anduril's strategy also encompasses long-term partnerships and capacity building in Taiwan and South Korea. This dual focus on immediate deterrence capabilities and sustainable long-term defense infrastructure development is counterintuitive in defense strategies that often prioritize short-term tactical advantages over long-term strategic stability. 6. Regional collaboration over isolation. The collaborations between Anduril and local entities in Taiwan and South Korea reflect a regional approach to defense that contrasts with the historically unilateral nature of U.S. defense support. This shift towards regional partnerships indicates a broader understanding that collective security efforts will be necessary to counter shared threats, suggesting a more integrated defense strategy among Indo-Pacific nations. 7. Taiwan's defense renaissance. Palmer Luckey's comments about Taiwan being on the brink of a techno-industrial renaissance for national defense may seem optimistic in light of the region's challenges. However, it highlights a counterintuitive perspective that sees potential in adversity. By leveraging local talent and fostering innovation in defense technology, Taiwan could emerge as a significant player in regional security, which contradicts the common narrative of vulnerability in the face of external threats. 8. Shift in focus from traditional military assets. The focus on loitering munitions and UAVs represents a broader shift in military asset prioritization. Traditional military thinking often emphasizes large manned platforms. However, Anduril's emphasis on smaller autonomous systems reflects a recognition that future conflicts may not require large-scale engagements but rather precise, rapid responses to emerging threats. This shift can lead to a reallocation of resources and strategic thinking within allied nations. In summary, Anduril Industries' investment in strategic initiatives in Taiwan and South Korea not only aim to enhance immediate defense capabilities but also challenge existing paradigms in military procurement, operational strategy, and regional defense collaboration. These counterintuitive elements suggest a transformative approach that may influence global defense strategies in the years to come. The report on Anduril Industries' strategic investment in Taiwan and South Korea totaling $100 million is laden with nuanced details that many may overlook but are critical for understanding the broader implications of this initiative on regional security and technological advancement in defense systems. Significant overlooked content. 1. Rapid delivery capabilities. One of the standout components of Anduril's strategy is its ability to deliver defense capabilities rapidly. As exemplified by the swift delivery of Altius loitering munitions to Taiwan within 6 months of contract signing. This contrasts starkly with typical foreign military sales timelines, which can extend over several years. The significance of this rapid delivery lies not merely in logistics but in the urgent strategic context of Taiwan's defense needs against potential Chinese aggression. This capability highlights Anduril's operational agility and reflects a potential new normal in defense procurement, where speed becomes a critical factor in national security. 2. Local partnerships and engineering capacity. The establishment of Anduril's office in Taiwan and the partnership with the National Chung-Shan Institute of Science and Technology (NCST) are pivotal developments. These initiatives signify a commitment to not only deliver technology but also to foster local engineering talent and develop indigenous production capabilities. The emphasis on integrating local expertise into Anduril's operations is significant as it nurtures a sustainable defense ecosystem in Taiwan, enabling the island to enhance its self-reliance in defense technologies. 3. AI and autonomous systems. The focus on AI-enabled command and control systems and autonomous technologies represents a considerable shift in modern warfare paradigms. While many commentators may discuss the surface-level advancements in unmanned systems, the depth of Anduril's integration of AI into defense platforms should not be underestimated. The implications of this technology on operational effectiveness, decision-making speed, and battlefield adaptability are profound. This shift towards AI and automation not only redefines tactical engagements but also influences the strategic calculus of deterrence in the Indo-Pacific region. 4. Geopolitical context. The report underscores the rising tensions in the Indo-Pacific, particularly regarding China's posture towards Taiwan. However, the broader implications for U.S. foreign policy and its commitments to allies in the region are crucial yet may be overlooked. Anduril's investment can be seen as a clear signal of U.S. intent to support Taiwan and counterbalance China's influence. This aligns with a larger strategy of bolstering allies through advanced military technology, which could reshape alliances and power dynamics in the region. 5. Long-term vision and capacity building. While many reports may highlight the immediate outcomes of Anduril's initiatives, the long-term vision articulated by Palmer Luckey, Anduril's founder, is particularly noteworthy. His call for Taiwanese engineers to contribute to national defense efforts reflects a broader strategy of capacity building that aims to create a self-sufficient defense industry in Taiwan. This vision not only seeks to enhance current capabilities but also cultivates a culture of innovation and resilience within Taiwan's defense sector. 6. Potential reshaping of the global UAV market. The partnership with Korean Air to co-develop unmanned aircraft systems (UAS) has implications that extend beyond regional defense. By exploring local production facilities and licensing agreements, Anduril and Korean Air are positioned to potentially reshape the global UAV market. The emphasis on creating a Korean-style UAV based on autonomous mission systems signifies a shift towards more regionally tailored defense solutions, which could influence procurement strategies and defense collaborations worldwide. Why these elements are significant. The overlooked elements of this report highlight critical strategic shifts in defense technology and geopolitical dynamics. The rapid delivery capabilities challenge traditional procurement processes and emphasize the need for agility in response to emerging threats. Local partnerships not only enhance operational capabilities but also foster resilience and self-reliance in defense industries, which is vital for small nations facing larger adversaries. The focus on AI and autonomous systems signifies a transformative approach to warfare that could redefine engagement strategies and deterrent postures. Moreover, understanding the geopolitical implications of these developments provides insight into U.S. foreign policy and the evolving balance of power in the Indo-Pacific. Anduril's initiatives could catalyze a broader regional defense response to Chinese assertiveness, fostering a network of capable allies that can collectively counter potential threats. In conclusion, the significance of Anduril's $100 million investment in Taiwan and South Korea extends far beyond immediate defense capabilities. It touches upon the future of warfare, the evolution of regional security architectures, and the intricate interplay between technology, national sovereignty, and global power dynamics. These themes warrant closer examination as they will likely shape the strategic landscape of the Indo-Pacific in the years to come. 1. Strategic commitment to regional defense. Anduril Industries' $100 million investment in Taiwan and South Korea marks a significant expansion of its commitment to enhancing regional defense capabilities, particularly in light of increasing tensions with China. The establishment of a permanent presence in Taiwan through the opening of an office and the rapid delivery of Altius loitering munitions underscores Anduril's intent to provide timely and effective defense solutions. The swift delivery timeline of just 6 months compared to the years typically required for foreign military sales demonstrates Anduril's focus on meeting urgent operational needs and highlights the effectiveness of partnerships between industry and government. 2. Partnerships with local defense entities. Anduril's collaborations with Taiwan's National Chung-Shan Institute of Science and Technology (NCSIST) and Korean Air are crucial for fostering local defense capabilities. The Memorandum of Understanding MA with NCSIST aims to integrate AI-enabled command and control systems and unmanned technologies, facilitating the development of advanced defense solutions tailored to Taiwan's specific needs. Similarly, the technical agreement with Korean Air for co-development of unmanned aircraft systems (UAS) emphasizes the importance of local production capabilities and technology transfer, which not only enhances South Korea's defense posture but also establishes a model for future collaborations in the region. 3. Emphasis on autonomous and AI-enabled systems. Anduril's focus on advanced autonomous systems, particularly the Altius loitering munitions, signifies a broader shift towards high-tech warfare in the Indo-Pacific. The Altius system, designed for surveillance and precision strike, reflects the growing importance of unmanned technologies in modern defense strategies. The integration of Anduril's Lattice AI platform with local systems showcases the potential for innovation in asymmetric warfare and highlights how AI can enhance operational effectiveness in contested environments. This shift not only responds to current security challenges but also positions Anduril as a key player in the evolving landscape of defense technology. 4. Long-term investment strategy. Anduril's strategic leap into Taiwan and South Korea is not merely a short-term response to immediate threats but also part of a comprehensive long-term investment strategy. By prioritizing local partnerships and establishing a sustained presence in the region, Anduril aims to build capacity for future defense needs. The emphasis on local engineering talent and production capabilities indicates a commitment to developing a robust defense ecosystem that can adapt to evolving threats. This long-term vision aligns with the goals of both Taiwan and South Korea to enhance their defense capabilities and self-sufficiency in the face of regional security challenges. 1. The U.S. military aid to Israel 1973 to 2020. Over decades, the United States has significantly invested in Israel's defense capabilities, particularly following the Yom Kippur War in 1973. This military aid has included advanced weapon systems, technology transfers, and funding for local defense industries. aimed at ensuring Israel's qualitative military edge in the region. This strategic partnership has reshaped the Middle Eastern defense landscape and reflects a long-term commitment to bolstering an ally's defense capacity against regional threats. 2. NATO expansion post-Cold War 1990s to 2020s. Following the dissolution of the Soviet Union, NATO expanded its membership to include several Eastern European countries. This strategic move aimed to enhance collective defense capabilities against potential aggression from Russia. The integration of new members involved significant investments in military modernization and joint exercises, transforming the security landscape of Eastern Europe and reinforcing the alliance's presence in the region. 3. India's defense ties with the U.S. 2000s present. In the early 2000s, India and the United States began to forge closer defense ties, leading to significant military cooperation, technology transfers, and joint exercises. This partnership has included the transfer of advanced defense technology, such as aircraft and missile systems, aimed at enhancing India's defense capabilities in the context of regional security challenges, particularly concerning China and Pakistan. The U.S. investment in India's defense sector represents a strategic leap to strengthen an ally's military posture and contribute to regional stability in the Indo-Pacific. Future outlook: Anduril's strategic leap in the Indo-Pacific defense landscape. As Anduril Industries solidifies its presence in Taiwan and South Korea through a $100 million investment, several trends and predictions can be made about the future of defense in the Indo-Pacific region by 2025 and beyond. 1. Increased defense collaboration in the Indo-Pacific. The partnerships established by Anduril with Taiwanese and South Korean entities, particularly with the National Chung-Shan Institute of Science and Technology (NCSIST) and Korean Air, will likely foster a model of collaborative defense development that could be emulated by other nations in the region. This move signifies a shift towards localized defense manufacturing and joint research initiatives, allowing nations to harness their technological capabilities while addressing immediate security threats. The integration of local expertise suggests that the Indo-Pacific could become a hub for innovative defense solutions tailored to regional needs. 2. Acceleration of autonomous systems in warfare. Anduril's focus on AI-enabled and autonomous systems such as the Altius loitering munition is indicative of a broader trend towards automation in warfare. As countries in the Indo-Pacific region invest in advanced unmanned systems, we can expect a surge in capabilities that leverage artificial intelligence for surveillance, reconnaissance, and precision strikes. By 2025, the operational landscape may feature a significant increase in the deployment of autonomous systems, transforming traditional military strategies and emphasizing the importance of speed and adaptability in modern combat scenarios. 3. Shift in regional security dynamics. With increasing tensions surrounding China, the strategic investments by Anduril serve as a direct response to the growing military assertiveness of Beijing. The enhancement of Taiwan's defense capabilities through rapid delivery systems signals a crucial shift in deterrence strategies in the region. By working closely with local governments and industries, Anduril is likely to contribute to a more robust defense posture among its allies, potentially leading to a recalibration of power dynamics in the Indo-Pacific. This could result in a more unified stance among U.S. allies against perceived threats, fostering a coalition of nations committed to mutual defense. 4. Economic opportunities and industrial growth. As Anduril establishes local production facilities such as the proposed Arsenal South Korea, there is potential for significant economic growth within the defense sector in these countries. The investment in local manufacturing not only aims to enhance defense capabilities but also to stimulate job creation and technological advancements. As the defense landscape evolves, we may see an emergence of a new wave of defense-related industries contributing to the overall economic resilience of Taiwan and South Korea and possibly inspiring similar initiatives in neighboring countries. 5. Innovation and technological advancements. Anduril's commitment to rapid capability delivery and collaboration with local engineering talent could catalyze a technological renaissance in Taiwan and South Korea. By fostering innovation through partnerships, we can anticipate breakthroughs in defense technologies that extend beyond conventional warfare applications, impacting sectors such as cybersecurity, AI, and robotics. Furthermore, the emphasis on integrating advanced technologies into military operations may encourage startups and established firms to pivot towards defense-related research and development, creating a vibrant ecosystem of innovation. 6. Impact on global defense markets. Anduril's strategic initiatives in the Indo-Pacific may also influence global defense markets by establishing new standards for rapid delivery and integration of advanced technologies. As Anduril sets a precedent for swift collaboration between government and industry, other defense contractors may be compelled to adopt similar approaches to remain competitive. This could lead to a more dynamic global defense landscape characterized by faster innovation cycles and increased responsiveness to security threats. 7. Cultural shift in defense strategy. The focus on asymmetric warfare and the integration of unmanned systems into national defense strategies indicate a potential cultural shift in how nations perceive military engagement. By investing in advanced, cost-effective technologies like loitering munitions, countries may begin to favor strategies that prioritize deterrence and rapid response over traditional large-scale military engagements. This could redefine military doctrines across the Indo-Pacific, emphasizing agility and adaptability in response to evolving threats. Conclusion. As Anduril Industries embarks on this strategic leap in the Indo-Pacific, the implications for regional and global defense landscapes are profound. The collaborative efforts in Taiwan and South Korea will likely enhance national security, stimulate economic growth, and foster technological innovation. By 2025, the defense strategies of these nations could reflect a new paradigm characterized by rapid technological integration, local partnerships, and a focus on autonomous systems, ultimately reshaping the future of warfare and international relations in the region.